morning everyone. My name is Devi Pravalika and I completed my project with a group of 4 members, Rambabu, Kanakarao, Sai Kitna and myself. So now I will start my PPT. Let us see what are the contents of my PPT. It's abstract, introduction, architecture and design, tools and conclusion. Let us see what is the abstract. The objective of this undertaking is to create a food delivery application employing the MERN technology stack. The MERN stack ensures scalability, responsiveness, and real-time updates. This project seeks to provide a seamless, convenient, and efficient food delivery experience for both consumers and restaurants. We know that what is the MERN stack. It uses four fantastic technologies: MongoDB, Express, React, and Node. These technologies used to make software development process more effective and simple. It is popular for considering that developers can create web apps using a single language, that is JavaScript, for both the front end and back end. Let us see what is the introduction. Developing a food delivery app using the MERN stack is a dynamic venture that leverages cutting-edge technology for a seamless user experience. MongoDB stores the app's data, Express.js manages server-side operations, and Node.js enables real-time functionality. Coming to React, a robust front-end library which ensures an interactive and responsive user interface. This stack's versatility and efficiency make it an ideal choice for crafting a feature-rich food delivery app, offering users the convenience of ordering, tracking, and receiving their favorite meals with ease. With MERN, we can create a modern, scalable, and engaging platform to revolutionize the food delivery industry. Coming to architecture and design. We use the following contents to design our project, that is HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. HTML. It is used to structure the content of the web page in our app. It ensures a consistent and organized layout for our app's front end. Coming to JavaScript, it's present a key JavaScript function and code snippets. It adds interactivity and dynamic behavior to our app. CSS, which is cascading style sheets. It enhances an attractive and user-friendly interface, making it visually appealing and easy to navigate. It displays CSS styles and rules that contribute to the project's design and layout. The HTML, CSS, and JavaScript ensure that the user has a visually pleasing and interactive experience while ordering food through the app.
Good morning. I am Sai Kirtana. Coming to this slide, we are talking about tools. Let us see what are the tools we have used in this project. They are MongoDB, Express.js, Node.js, React, Redux Thunk and Redux, Bootstrap, Visual Studio Code, and Axios. The first one, React. React is a crucial part of front-end development strategy. It serves as a foundation for building the user interface of our web application. It provides us with the capability to construct reusable and modular user interface components. This means that we can efficiently create UI elements that can be used across our application, saving time and effort. React also ensures that our applications are highly responsive and interactive. Users can enjoy a seamless, engaging experience when using our application, thanks to React for efficient rendering and component-based architecture. Coming to next, Redux and Redux Thunk. Redux plays a vital role in managing the state of our web application. It acts as a centralized store where we can store and manage the data that our application rely on. Redux Thunk is an extension of Redux that handles asynchronous actions. This is essential for tasks like fetching data from the servers or processing data in the background. When used together, Redux and Redux Thunk established a structured and predictable data flow within our application. This means that we have better control flow over how the data is retrieved, modified and displayed to the user. And next, Bootstrap. It is a front-end framework that ensures our ability to create responsive designs, ensures that application adapt seamlessly to various screen sizes and devices, from desktop to mobile devices. Bootstrap comes with the rich collection of pre-designed UI components and responsive threads. This means that we don't have to reinvent the wheel. One of the significant advantages of the Bootstrap is it accelerates our development process. Coming to the next, MongoDB is a vital component in developing food delivery app using Webstack. MongoDB is a NoSQL database that excels at handling vast amounts of unstructured or semi-structured data, making it perfect for storing diverse food-related information. In this context, MongoDB stores essential data such as user profiles, restaurant details, menu items, and order history. Its flexibility allows for easy expansion and modification of data structures as app requirements evolve. MongoDB's document-based structure aligns well with the JSON-like objects used in JavaScript, enabling seamless data integration with the front-end built in React. This synergy simplifies the data flow between the app's front-end and back-end, enhancing performance and user experience. MongoDB's scalability ensures that as the food delivery apps grows, it can efficiently manage increasing data leads and user traffic, a crucial aspect in any successful food delivery platform. Coming to the next, Express.js. Express.js is a crucial component in Webstack development for food delivery app. It serves as the backend framework responsible for handling server-side logic and routing. In this context of food delivery app, Express.js manages essential functionalities such as user authentication, order processing, and communication with the database. Using Express, we can create robust APIs to manage user accounts, menu items, order history, and more. It facilitates seamless communication between the front-end and database, ensuring a smooth user experience. Express is the middleware system enables features like user authentication and payment processing, enhancing the app's security and functionality. Express.js is the backbone that powers the server side of our Webstack food delivery application, allowing us to build a feature-rich and efficient application that handles orders, user accounts, and data retrieval seamlessly. Coming to the Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is an ideal choice for Webstack development of a food delivery application. This lightweight open source code editor offers numerous extensions and integrations, enhancing the efficiency of developers. With its versatile text editor, integrated Git support, and debugging tools, VS Code streamlines the development process. For a Webstack project, it supports JavaScript and React, Node.js, and MongoDB, making it seamless for full stack development. Its extensions for code formatting, linting, and live server integration facilitate real-time testing. Overall, Visual Studio Code empowers developers to create feather-rich food delivery application efficiently and collaboratively. Coming to the Axios. Axios is a vital component in MERN stack development for our food delivery application. It simplifies communication between the app's front end and back end. In this context, Axios enables React to send HTTP requests to the Node.js server, facilitating users' actions like ordering food. It plays a crucial role in retrieving and updating data, ensuring real-time order tracking and seamless user experiences. With Axios, developers can establish a robust connection between the app's components and the server, enabling efficient data retrieval and management, a fundamental feature for any food delivery application within the MERN stack. Coming to the final one, conclusion. In conclusion, our food delivery app project represents a remarkable achievement in modern development. Thanks to the utilization of cutting-edge technologies like MERN stack, React, Redux Thunk, and Redux, Axios, Bootstrap. In what we have achieved efficiency through the strategic use of this technology we have achieved. This efficiency extends both front-end and back-end, resulting in a seamless user experience. And we have achieved predictable state management, seamless data communication, responsive design, smooth navigation. This project not only delivers a robust app but also highlights the immense potential of these technologies. Our app is set to transform the food delivery industry, offering convenience to users, efficiency to restaurants, and opportunities to drivers. In conclusion, we appreciate your attention and are open to any questions you may have. The project represents the future food delivery technology, and we are excited to at front end of innovation in this journey. Thank you for joining us this journey. Thank you all.
Hi, I am Ram Babu.
I am currently pursuing MCA at Acharya Nagarjuna University. I have done an internship on MERN stack. In the MERN stack project, I did a project on food application for online ordering. In this food app folder, we have two folders named backend and frontend. In frontend, we have source folder and public folder. These are default folder structure created by React app. The source folder is where you will write your application's JavaScript code, components, styles, and other related files. The public folder contains static assets like HTML images and other files that don't need to go through the build process. The public index.html file is the entry point for the React application. In source folder, we have different folders named actions, components, constants, reducers, each with a special purpose. In actions folder, we have cart action, For add to cart items, menu action to show the menu, and so on. In components folder, we have cart component, CSS component for styling and layout, order, etc. And constant folder, we have cart constant, menu constant, till user constant. This is red user. Let's start with action folder. This folder is typically used for store action creators. Action creators are functions that return action projects. These actions describe the changes you want to make to your application state. They are dispatched to the Redux store to trigger state updates. The components folder is where you can organize and store your React components. These components are reusable UI elements that make up your application's user interface. Organizing them in a separate folder helps maintain a clean and structured code base. This constant folder is often used to define constants or action type strings. In Redux, action types are typically defined as string constants to ensure consistency between action creators and reducers. It's a good practice to keep these in one place to avoid type mistakes or typos and maintainability issues. The reducer folder is where you would store your Redux reducers. Reducers are functions that specify how the application state changes in response to actions. Each reducer typically handles a specific portion of the application state. And also we have files named app.js, index.js, store.js. Each provides different kinds of functionalities. For example, app.js file is typically the main component of your React application. It's the root component that gets rendered and contains the overall structure of your app. You would define the layout, routes, and other high-level components in this file. And we have index.js file. This is the entry point of your React application. It's where you typically render your root component into the DOM or document object model. This file sets up the React application and connects it to the HTML element where it will be displayed. And we have store.js, the last file in the source folder. Store.js file is commonly used when implementing Redux in your React application. It's where you created the Redux store, configure middleware, and apply the Redux provider to your app. The store is a central repository for your application's state, and it allows components to access, update, and state. I completed this. My friend will continue from here now on to display the layout of the website.
Hi,
కనకారావు జాగరపు
I'm pursuing MCA at Acharya Nagar University. I would like to explain about my internship experience at Webstack Academy. The internship doing very well. A special thanks to Kavya ma'am. She explains each and every component in an understandable and simple way. Okay, my friends covered the presentation part and the code overview about my project. Now I will continue with the explanation of application part. That is, we created an application by using React app during the internship. Okay, I named my project as Foodie Hub, where the Foodie Hub enables us to order any food you want and online by making payments. Now, whenever we open my React app, it shows some header part and the body and footer part also. In the header part, we see logo, that is order it, and search bar, whatever item you want to search, and cart part, whatever the item, it shows the items in the cart, and the login part. It displays the login button. Now there are so many of restaurants in our app. We can choose whatever restaurant you want, and in that whatever restaurant you want, and in that restaurant whatever item you want. Now, okay, if you want to order any item from my food app, you need to log in before you order. Just you need to log in before you order. Just click on login, then email, and then enter password. If you are a new user, then click on new user and click, then register part will open. Then in the name field enter your name. For example, my name is Prasad, Durga Prasad, and email is on, and password is something whatever you want, and confirm password. The password you entered is same as the confirm password, and give the phone number, something it is. Let's choose the avatar button. You can browse the avatar button and select the system avatar button from your system. Then click on register. It will register to your account. Then after registering, you need to log in yourself by entering your email and the corresponding password. If you are forgot your password, then click on forgot password option. Then enter email. It will send the forgot password and password reset options to your email. Then after login this account, then click on logo button. It will navigate to your home page. Then click on cart. You see I already added 3 items in my cart. If you want to more items, add to your cart, then click on item part, then click on item, then click on add to cart. It will add to your cart. So I added 3 items in my cart. If you want more item in your cart, quantity, if you want to increase your quantity of your item, then click on plus button. It will add another item in your cart. If you want to remove one item from your cart, then click on minus button. If you want to remove the item from your cart, then click on delete button. Then after selecting and choosing your items whatever you want to order, then click on checkout. It will navigate to address bar. Then give your address, something that is where you can your sample address like Guntur city, whatever it is, and the phone number anyone. Then postal code where it is, then country, click on India, then click on continue. Whenever you continue, it will opens the confirm order. Next, in the open part, name and phone address will be displayed, and your cart items, whatever your items you choose. Then it displays order summary. Order summary means subtotal and delivery charges and tax and total. Then you need to proceed to payment. If you want to proceed, if you want to pay your payment, then you need to proceed to payment. Then it will display the payment option. After payment done, the order will be succeeded, and check on your mail. Okay, and food app also contain some additional features, like you can check our restaurants which are pure veg only. Okay, these two restaurants are pure veg and it doesn't contain any non-veg food items. Then next, show all button, it shows all the restaurants whatever you enter the backend part. Next, we can also use sort by reviews and sort by ratings. Whenever you click the sort by reviews, whatever the item, whatever the restaurant will has highest reviews will come the first, then corresponding items will come to the following. Next, sort by ratings. Sort by rating gives same as sort by reviews, but whatever the reviews is high will come the first, then the following reviews are last. That's the feature of my React app. So in this I will conclude with this explanation. This is my Manstack project where I use MongoDB for backend, Express.js and Node.js for MongoDB for database, and Express.js and Node.js for backend and React for frontend. So, thanks for watching.